Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have bought the recipe of chicken biryani for you. This was a much requested recipe and all my friends, family and the viewers requested me for this recipe. So I finally bought this for you. This is my father's own special recipe and the end results are just amazing. I absolutely love it and trust me, it's better than the restaurant. But before we head on to the recipe, please do like the video because we are putting a lot of effort into it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you get all the notifications of the newly added video to the channel, because I hope you don't want to miss any of them. So this is how we make the biryani at our place, and it is absolutely delicious. So if you follow the steps properly, you will also be able to make a beautiful plate of biryani for yourself and your family. So let's not waste any time and let's just get started. Wash and peel some potatoes and prick it with some skewers or a fork so that it gets some holes in it. So when you cook the potatoes, it comes out soft and juicy and the flavors get really well inside. So after the potatoes are ready, make a paste of onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies and boil some eggs. Next, in a pot, add some water. The water should be 4 times more than the amount of rice you're taking, so that when you cook the rice in the water, it doesn't become sticky. So now we will be adding some flavors in the water. So for that, we'll be adding cloves and cinnamon, some salt for taste. Add the salt as per your own taste. Of course, measuring the amount of rice. Next, into it we are going to add some kera water. This adds a beautiful aroma to the water. And then we will be adding some rose water into it. This too helps give the water a beautiful aroma again. And then some meetha ether. This meetha ether takes the water to a whole new level. So you do not want to miss this. Then wash and rinse some rice, which you will use for the biryani. We have taken basmati rice, which is the biryani rice. Next, in a cup, add some warm milk. You can strain it so that the malai doesn't come inside it. We don't want the malai. Then we will be adding some kesari food color. The kesari food color gives the milk a beautiful yellowish color, the kesari color that is. And we will also be adding some saffron, that is the real kesar. It adds aroma and also color to the milk. Mix everything really well, and here your milk mixture is ready. We have washed some chicken wings. This is all we had in our home right now, as we are all in lockdown. So here the water has finally come to a good boil, and now we will be adding the washed rice. Remember, we need to cook the rice till 80%. We don't have to cook the rice entirely. So cook the rice in the water. Take out all the cloves and the cinnamon once the rice is 80% cooked. The rest 20% we will be doing it when we will put it in dum. So after that, strain the water from the rice totally. And then spread it out in a plate. We don't want the rice to get sticky, so you have to let it cool down and dry a little bit. Now take a karai and add some ghee into it. We will now be preparing gravy for our chicken. So we have to cook the chicken now. So add the ghee and keep the heat to medium level. Now spread it out nicely in the karai and add in the paste of the ginger, garlic, onion and chili which we have made already earlier. So add that paste in it. And cook the paste nicely till the raw flavor goes away. Next in the gravy, we will be adding some kevra water. Some rose water. And meetha ether. Next add some salt. Adjust the salt as per your taste, and you can add a little bit of sugar like we did. Just a little bit of sugar. And then mix everything well. And then add biryani masala. You will get biryani masala in any grocery shop. So add it and then cook the gravy nicely, mixing everything really well. Once the gravy is ready, we will add in the pieces of chicken. Like I said, we just only had chicken wings right now as we are all under lockdown. So this is what we had, guys. So with that, I'm making it. It's not me, it's my father who is making it. So after it's done mixing, you just put on the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lids and then mix again everything really well. After that, add in boiling hot water in it. It has to be boiling hot water. You cannot add warm or normal room temperature water. It has to be hot water, guys. So put in the hot water for the gravy. And then again you have to mix everything very well. After putting the boiling water, mix everything really well. Remember, even the chicken has to be cooked till 80%, not 100%. So mix everything well and again put the lid on it once it comes to a boil and cook it for another 6 to 7 minutes. After that, remove the lid and take out all the chicken in a plate and keep it separately aside. After taking out the chicken, into the gravy we will be adding some more biryani masala and some more kevra water. and a little bit of meat either. And then we will be adding the potatoes one by one into the gravy. Then mix everything really well and put on the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid, and now it's time to prepare your pressure cooker, guys. So remove it from the heat and get your pressure cooker ready. Put some ghee in the pressure cooker. Then spread the ghee in the bottom this way by rotating the pressure cooker like this. Now put in the gravy and the potatoes in the pressure cooker. We have to cook the potatoes 80% again. So we will cook it till 4 to 5 whistles. So after 4 to 5 whistles, your potatoes will be 80% cooked, and then we will take them out one by one and keep it aside again. Now in the same gravy, we will be adding some more ghee. And just a little bit of rose water. And a little bit of meat either. And a spoonful of biryani masala. And now we will put all the boiled eggs into it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, we will take the boiled eggs out in a separate bowl. And now is the important part, that is we have to strain out the juice from the gravy with the help of a strainer. We don't want any solid residue, so with the help of the strainer, very nicely we have to get rid of those residues and get the clean juice in a separate bowl. So we have finally taken out all the juice from the gravy. So now it's the most important part, guys. It's a time for the dum. So prepare your karhai or any other utensils that you're using. So put your flame on high and take your karhai and put some ghee in it. We have to prepare the karhai for the dum. So spread the ghee all over it. And now we will be adding all the other items that we have cooked previously. So we are starting with the potatoes. Everything here we are adding has been cooked 80%. The rest 20% will get cooked in the dum. So after adding the potatoes, we will be adding in the chicken. So here we are adding all the chicken wings. Next we are adding into it the boiled eggs. And finally we will be topping it with the rice. Spread the rice evenly. Then we will be adding the juice that we have got from the gravy. And finally we will be adding the saffron colored milk that actually adds the beautiful yellow color in your biryani. And lastly, we will be topping it with some ghee for the beautiful aroma. After this, we will close this with a lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes in high flame. And then we will put something heavy on it. We are putting a pot full of water so that the steam doesn't come out. And then we would switch the gas off and let it cook in the steam for the next 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes, guys. Your beautiful biryani is absolutely ready to serve. So serve it hot with some delicious raita and salad and enjoy. Dig into it, share it with your friends and family. And here I have also added the ingredients in the end. So check out the ingredients. If you want to make a list of it, just make it. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please do share this with your loved ones. Share it with all the biryani lovers out there, and try this and let me know in the comment section below. For any queries also, you can comment down. I will get back with the answer as fast as possible. And I hope you really loved the video. So stay tuned with me and support me. That was all for today. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video.